In this video, we will be seeing how to write a very simple C++ program. So before writing a C++ program, let's see what is C++. So C++ is a computer programming language which was created as an extension of C programming language. So C++ is computer programming language which is extension of C language. And we can say thus C plus OOPS concepts. So in C++, we have additional OOPS concepts and some advanced features other than C. So C features plus OOPS concepts equal to C++, we can say. And it was developed by Bjarne Stroustrup. So Bjarne Stroustrup, he is a scientist who has developed C++ as an extension of C language. So this C++ computer programming language was developed by Bjarne Stroustrup as an extension of C language. Now let's see a basic C++ program. So every C++ program we start with include IO stream. So this is a type which contains cout and cin in it, which are used as standard output and input streams for printing output. For printing anything on output screen, we use cout, and for taking in the input, we use cin, and both cout and cin are present in this IO stream type. And again, this IO stream type is present in namespace std. So the std here stands for standard. So in this standard namespace, we have IO stream present, and for using cout and cin in our C++ program, we add these two lines, and then we start the main function, which is of type int. That means the return type of main is integer. So return 0 by default internally marks the ending of main in case of C++. That's the reason we use return type int, about which in detail we'll be seeing in coming videos. And here I'm using cout along with insertion operator to print hi on output screen. So you can see cout I am using here, which is a standard output stream for printing output on console or output screen. So cout is always used with this insertion operator, two angular brackets, opening angular brackets, followed by a string. So whatever string we write after the insertion operator is inserted on the output screen, or it is printed on the output screen. So let's see it practically in Dev C++ IDE. So this is Dev C++ IDE, where I have already created a file test1.cpp. So I will be writing the same program here, include IO stream, and then using namespace std, and now starts the main function, which is starting point of execution, and within main I will be just using cout hi, which prints hi on the output screen. So this is very basic C++ program, and to execute it, go to execute option, first compile it to check if any errors. After compilation, here I got in compile log 0 errors or warnings. So now I can run it, and when I run it, I get the output as hi printed on output screen by cout. So this cout prints hi on output screen. So this is very simple program of C++, and this is how we execute it in Dev C++ IDE. So thank you for watching the video, and in the coming videos you will be seeing more detailed topics of C++. So please do subscribe channel for more updates on C++, and also on this channel you will be finding other computer programming languages. So Please do subscribe the channel, and thanks again for watching the video.